Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Analytics. In this video, you can learn from today's the Power BI interview questions. It's the top 15 questions you have to learn from today. And this video you can learn from this top 15 questions. If you have to go from the interview, this ask them different questions for you. And what are the components? What is the Tableau? What is the difference between the Power BI and Tableau? These types of asking the questions for you. And this you can learn from today's the different they have asked from the different questions for you, right? And you can see this video definitely have to clear the doubts from everyone, right? Let's start the video. First word, what are the components in Power BI and what, and second one, how Power BI is different from the Tableau. The third one, how how is the Power BI different from the other Power BI tools, and what is tax functions, what are the types of filter in available in the Power BI report, and different between the Power BI and Excel, what are the calculation function in the DAX, what are the different challenges you can face a Power BI developer, how can you solve, how can you do automation from Power BI, can you explain the bookmark functions in Power BI, what are the KPIs in Power BI, how many versions in Power BI available from the now, how are their difference, and what are customization visible in Power BI, and what data sources you can connect in the Power BI, define the Power Query. These are top 15 questions you can learn from today, right? And really, if you like this, like and subscribe my channel. Along with, I'll give the description for Telegram, Instagram link. And please follow regularly posting from the interview questions and job ethics also. And if you have any doubts, and you have to personally have to talk with me, I'll give them my email ID. How to text me also, okay? And let's start the video. First one, what are the components in Power BI? There are five components in Power BI. First, pivot and power and QA, Power View and map. First, pivot, the filter the clear the data and the load the Power Query operation the load the data. First, Power QA, so make it possible to can use interact with the report and use similar to the English language, right? And one more, English language. And Power View, then let us use it to create and interact to the charts, graph, maps, and other visible, and Power Map. Enable to the process to accessible graphical location data set. Is a Power View is a different charts or you can use in the Power Map is enabled to the graphical location in data set. And second one, how Power BI different from the Tableau. Below, some of the major two difference between the Power BI and Tableau. First one, easy to use. The Power BI is a generating the easy to use in the, especially from the who are already familiar to the Microsoft product. And Tableau are the most robotic features are available. There are mostly the Power BI is they have already some familiar to use Microsoft. You can use the Tableau is the most robotic features are available. And data sources, both Power BI and Tableau is a connecting the wide range of data sources, including the data sets, MS Excel, web page, data, and whoever Tableau has a more advanced features are connecting the preparing the data. There has advanced features in the Tableau in compared to the Power BI. And visualization, both the Power BI and Tableau wide range of visualization options. However, some using the few of the Tableau offering the more flexibility customizing options when our others perform similar to the Power BI visibles. Both are given the same only. What is the both are in the flexibility and customizing options only. What's the difference? Right? Let's go the third one. Yes, this is the third one. How is the Power BI different in the other Power BI tools? The Power BI providing the better feature as a data manipulation tool. As compared to the other tools, the Tableau as a sense of using the connecting the multiple data sources and without experience, other coding and data analytics. As per product in the Microsoft Power BI is a cloud interact with other Microsoft tools such as Office 365 and SharePoint and Big. In free of visibles in Power BI desktop, they're using the analyzing the data up to the 1 GB storage alone, and with 10,000 rows of the data still is a very hour. Moreover, to provide in the features like the Power Query, which is along with using the easy to visible the data set and giving the comment from the nature of the English language. Right? Yeah, this is another other of the Power BI tool question. Fourth one, what are DAX functions? The formula, it is the formula to express in the language to can DAX. DAX full form DAX is data analytical expression. This can using to the variants of visualizations tools like Power BI and also can be functional language when to full code are keeping inside the functions and the data types syntax is a numerical, boolean, date, time, string, and decimal is the one of the data types from the tags. Go with the fifth one. This is the fifth one. What are the types of filters available in the Power BI report? The important filter in Power BI report is the visible level filter, page level filter, report level filter. It's the three filters are available in one is visible, page, report. Right? Yeah. Let's go to the sixth one. Difference between the Power BI and Excel. The key of difference are Tableau report. The Power BI is not a very good handles the Tableau report. Excel better than handling the Tableau report. Duplicates table. The Power BI cannot display the duplicates table. Excel allow the using the display the duplicates table also. And report. The Power BI allow the interactive the personalizing report. Excel can use the connecting the performing advanced crop filtering between the charts. Analyzing. The Power BI are offering the similar analyzed. Excel offering the advanced analyst. Is different from the Power BI and MS Excel. And one more point, applications also. The Power BI is the idea to KPS already to the dashboard. Excel is the new charts now, but there is cannot be connection the data model. Right? Seventh one. What is the calculation functions in DAX? The calculation functions help of the calculate the sum of the enter the column. It is modified using the filter. I've given the syntax example for you. Calculate expression filter 2, and expression is also that the evaluate filter. There is a filter is a boolean expression, tableau expression that is a support in the depending the filtering. And also guys, I will give the description for this total important questions PDF also. Please download the PDF guys. Okay. And eighth one. What are the different challenges you can face in the Power BI developer? This is a developer they have to facing the different challenges also. The Power BI challenge the facing the Power BI does not have any features in data cleaning. It is it will be create a problem from the large data set. The board is majorly facing the performing the issues as we observe the cannot the process more than 20,000 to 30,000 rows without running the issues from the some query built to the using the interface. Yeah, let's go the one more. Is the ninth one. How can you automation in Power BI? Automation can be done with the Power Automate. The Power Automate in the cloud-based service is also using the creative workflow and automating business process. But with Power Automate can you able to use out of the box connecting the allow to connect the more than 2000 servers and automatically representative task is saved you con- considerable amount time and effort, right? So automatically and can we explain the bookmark functions in Power BI? Can wanted to capture from the configuration views and report current state we can use in the bookmark features. Actually, there is different the bookmark capture, especially element of the report including the slicer and filter. What are the KPIs in Power BI? The KPIs in key performing indicates is the full form. The key performing indicates is the evaluation of the organization to perform it defining the areas, and evaluation is the value of measurable goal. A KPI is also called based on the values measured with these the evaluation again to target value. Can you evaluate the performing the analyzing the just of seeing these KPIs as then graphical representative evaluation. The KPIs also should be whether to the goal and you can set up the mean the not. Right is the KPIs. Next one, 12th one. How many versions are Power BI available from the now? There is a difference. They ask their questions from the interview. So how many versions in Power BI? They have to answer for this question. There is a present to the three versions are edit from the Power BI Desktop, Power BI Pro, and Power BI Premium. The Power BI Desktop. The Power BI Desktop is a free of cost and available from through the publishing the Microsoft Power BI as using the interactive in the platform. From we can use the connecting the multiple data sources, transform the clear data versions and create a report. right? Is a three version: desktop, pro, and premium. Power BI Pro now. The Power BI Pro is a modern self-service. Power BI has the advanced features after collaborating the publishing the report, sharing with Horn, analyzing it is cost of 9.99 as per month can use. Power BI Premium. The Power BI Premium is also interface Power BI solution with features can tool from advanced analyst, big data supporting on premium and cloud support, cloud reporting, etc. It is also providing the indicates the cloud computers storage facilities in the $20 per month. There is a providing the premium is a $20 per month and also cloud storage also. Yes, and 19th, 13th one. What are the custom visibles in Power BI? The custom visibles in the customizing the visualizations like charts, KPI, etc. There is also created development from secured and using the custom visibles SDK. Power BI offering the risk of labeling custom visible, which is can use it to select in the report and you can use the Power BI report developer and the JavaScript libraries such as Paper and D3 R language, scripted, etc. to create a customizable visible. They also to create a customizable visibles also can use in the libraries, right? Yeah, and is a 14th one about a data sources can connect in the Power BI. The Power BI is a data source widely follow files, connecting packages, connection. First, files. The data can be used. The data can be importing from the Power BI desktop files, .pdx, MS Excel, XML, all common separating CSV files also. And second one, content package is a reference to the collection of the related to the files, documents, storage, and a group of 10 two types of connecting package in Power BI. Those from the service to providing the including the Google Analyze and Salesforce and through the create and sharing the other using the organizations. Is a third one connectivity. The connecting the data source as the other data sets, including the data set and is an SQL Server, analyzing service in Tableau data, etc. And fifth and then is the last one different the Power Query is a very important questions. The Power Query is the ETL tool can be clear the shape of the transform the data without any code of using the interactive interface with this. You can importing the data in the variants of data sources like database like files. Append the joint data from the widely range of sources and can be shared the data can you need to add the remove it. The top 15 questions guys you complete from definitely have to crack the interview guys. Definitely this is my promise. If you run these types of 15 questions, definitely have to crack the interview, get the more knowledge from the Power BI also. And also if you like this, you like and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts also please comment section. And if you also talk me personally, have the I'll give the description for my mail ID. You can talk with my mail ID also. I'll give the with LinkedIn also Instagram and Telegram. Please follow and regularly I'm posting on the different questions, projects, and you can see the my videos. And they had a lot of Power BI projects and SQL, MS Excel, Python. They have a lot of videos and available from my playlist. And please check out. And if you like this, like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.